Hey everyone, welcome to the Data Desk. Now I'm Shaili, your friend and guide in this SQL series. So today we are going to cover our next question, which is page with no likes. So first we are going to understand our problem statement. So here we have to return page IDs which have zero likes. So we have two tables, pages and page likes. So first we will understand our tables and column names. So in our first table, pages have two columns, page ID and page name. So overall it contains page informations. And in the next page, page likes, we have three columns, user ID, page ID and like date. So for the result, we have to combine these two tables so that we can find which pages have likes and which pages do not have likes. To combine these two tables, we are going to use joins. So first let's understand which join we are going to use. So as we want page IDs which has zero likes, so we will use left join so that this will be our first table, this will be our second table in the join. And then after that we will select the page IDs from the first tables and use where clause to filter our data which have null values of likes. So this is how we are going to approach our problem. So let's solve it step by step. Now I'm going to write our query here. Select. For now I'm taking star. After that we will select our column. First I'm going to write logic for join. So our first table is pages, and we will give alias p so that it will be easy for us to call our columns. Now I'm going to use left join. Left join with second table page likes. Page likes. We will give alias pl to this. And now I'm going to filter our data. First I have to give a column which is common in these two tables so that we can combine these two tables on the basis of that column, that common column. So that is page ID. We have page ID in both tables. Page ID equals to pl dot page IDs. Page ID. Now we are going to filter our data. So before that, we will run this query and see our overall result. We want our result should be look like this. For now, we are checking our overall results. So here we have combined two tables and all the page IDs which have zero likes containing null values in like date column. So we are going to approach now with the filter. For that we will use where clause and the pl dot pages page ID is null. So it will show all the page IDs which have null values. So first we will run this. Okay, so we are getting these two columns and we have one more condition here. We want to return page IDs with zero like and sort in ascending order based on page IDs. So we have to sort our data on the basis of page IDs in ascending order. So we will use order by order by p dot page ID. Okay, so we have if we want our data in ascending order, we have to give this, and if we want our data in descending order, we have to give this. By default, it will uh, It will sort our data in ascending order, so we are not going to give anything, but the best practice is we give this. So it's easy to understand when we look our data. Okay, so we are getting this. Now I'm going to select our column e dot page ID. Okay, so now our result is ready. So let's submit this and check if it is executing or not. Okay, accepted. So now we are going to understand our execution process. So left join brings all the pages even if they have no matches in the page likes. And if a page has 0 likes, pl.pageid becomes null. So where clause filter for exactly that, and order by ensures that the output is sorted. So that is all. And now we are getting our result as well. And got questions or want more challenges, drop a comment in this video and like this video if it helped. See you in the next one. Bye bye.